Hi, welcome. So today I will going to show you how to show completed sales value and the remaining sales value by using a pie chart. So in my data source, I have one is the current sales data, and then the other one was the fixed targets for each country, which is set for a year. And also there's a small relationship between this country field and the target country field. So that is the data setup. So step one would be to create a measure uh, we called as completed sales, so which is sum of sales. That's a completed sales. Now create another measure showing remaining sales. So for that, I take sum of target value minus sum of current sales data. So now my two measures are ready. Now time to add a pie chart to that. And then I add remaining sales and completed sales to the pie chart. So by using two measures, so the pie chart now shows remaining sales and the completed sales. And if I want to filter this by using, let's say, a country, so add a small slicer, and then I add a country to that, right? So then let's say when I select the country, it shows the remaining sales versus completed sales belongs to India and Poland and UK, like that. And the number format and the format, the colors, everything that also can be adjusted. So thanks for watching the video and keep in touch for more Power BI videos.